Ever wished your recordings could tell you exactly who's speaking without you lifting a finger? That's where MegaTranscript comes in. Our speaker diarization tool doesn't just give you words on a page. It tells you who said them, when, and in what order. Think about it. You finish recording a podcast, or a client interview, or even a long meeting. Later, you look at the transcript, and it's just a wall of text. No labels. No clarity. Just a jumble of voices. You find yourself asking, wait, who even said that? That's the problem MegaTranscript solves. Our diarization feature automatically separates and labels speakers instantly. You'll see Speaker 1, Speaker 2, Speaker 3. Each one clearly identified. Your messy conversation transforms into a readable, structured, professional transcript. Here's how it works. You upload your audio or video. Our AI processes it in seconds. And what comes back isn't just a transcript. It's a full conversation laid out cleanly, with each speaker separated. No rewinding. No manual tagging. No confusion. Just clarity. Picture this. Speaker 1 introduces the topic. Speaker 2 interrupts with a question. Speaker 1 answers. Speaker 3 adds a comment. And when you read the transcript, it feels like you're right back in the room. That's the power of diarization. Journalists love it for interviews. Podcasters love it for accurate show notes. Lawyers use it for depositions. Businesses use it for boardroom discussions. Educators use it for lectures. Anywhere multiple voices overlap, MegaTranscript brings order to the chaos. And because it's AI-powered, it adapts. It handles accents. It handles overlaps. It handles those moments when everyone talks at once. And still produces a transcript that makes sense. Compared to traditional transcription tools, this isn't just faster, it's smarter. With older methods, you'd spend hours trying to figure out who said what. With MegaTranscript, you get clarity in seconds. And here's something most people don't think about. When you separate speakers, your transcript isn't just easier to read. It becomes more valuable. You can search who said what. You can pull quotes accurately. You can even repurpose conversations into articles, blogs, or podcasts without confusion. From podcasts to courtrooms. Classrooms to boardrooms. MegaTranscript makes every transcript sharp, professional, and ready to use. So stop wasting time with messy transcripts. Stop struggling to match words to voices. Let MegaTranscript do it all for you. Try speaker diarization today at megatranscript.com. And experience the difference clarity makes.
Mr. Director, you and the FBI, working with state and local law enforcement officials in Utah.
Cornyn or Hawley, that there are a number of individuals that are currently being investigated and interrogated, and a number yet to be investigated and interrogated specific to that chat room. So we are very much in our ongoing posture of